Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing some organization ideas for the least attended space in our homes, that is under the kitchen sink and basin storage cabinet. Generally, this storage space is very small, so you can't play much with the space, but by using organizers and baskets, you can make the space look better and also use the horizontal and vertical space. So let's get started with the video. So we have two spaces to organize under the kitchen sink cabinet and basin storage cabinet. Before getting started, first analyze the space and your requirements. Then plan to create a system that can accommodate your maximum stock or supplies. In my case, we stock supplies for 2 months. Putting things where it is required, as my wash area is connected to the kitchen, so I keep the washing and cleaning supplies all together there. And as the basin is in between the dining area and the common bathroom, so I put skin, hair and body related essentials there. Without baskets, accessibility and visibility of the items is not so good, and it also makes the space look cluttered. I have used the baskets and hooks that were available with me, and the baskets were in different colors, so I have hand painted them white to have a well coordinated theme. Let's start the organization for the kitchen sink cabinet. Keep the least used items at the back. I have kept the gardening supplies and the stock of detergent and cleaning products here. I have attached the measuring cup with the double-sided tape on the bottle. For extra caution, I have wrapped the cloth bag on the sink pipe. Here I have made a cleaning caddy. This round basket is all-in-one cleaning product organizer. The reason I find it a good fit is because it has handles, so it is convenient and easy to pick up the caddy during the cleaning process. If you wish to pick up any item that is on the other side, simply rotate and get it. This small handle basket I think is perfect for stocking small items. In this I have put the kitchen wipe, scrubber and dish soap. For any reason, if you are unable to get dish liquid in your grocery shopping, you don't have to worry about the utensil cleaning with an extra supply of dish cake. In the other one, I have put the non-categorized supply of small items like the garbage bag, cloth clips, toilet freshener, naphthalene balls, etc. The best part is it is sleek and stackable. In the basket next to the cleaning caddy, I have put the shopping bag and the gardening water can. In the lower partition, I have put the diyas and tea light holder in a small cardboard box. I have used this detergent cardboard box to put my paint bottle and brushes, keeping an extra supply of bottle at the back. Then I have put the extra mop refill, kitchen towels and duster all together in a separate basket. You can also put the new towels in a transparent poly bag if you wish to. For ease of use, I have used the plastic bottle with a wide lid for detergent. This is far better than a small lid container. I've installed a hook and hung a poly bag and kept open garbage bag roll in it along with sachet of cloth softener. Such items can get easily lost in big and uncategorized baskets. Another tip is to use a binder clip for hanging any items. Not all over the door organizers fit the space right, so these hooks are a great way to use the door space. Similarly, on the other side, I have hung the glass wiper and a microfiber duster using a cloth pin. I've used this little basket for organizing my cloth pins. In the kitchen essentials, I have kitchen rolls, roti cloths, gloves, tissue paper, paper napkins, pantry clips, and apron. As I need to keep the cleaning supply under the kitchen sink cabinet, so I keep the kitchen linens and the napkins in the pantry cabinet. If you have a small pantry storage and want to store napkins and kitchen linen under the kitchen sink area, then you go for the basket or boxes with lids. Now let's organize the basin storage cabinet. Keeping all big bottles on one corner irrespective of the category. Here I have all types of sanitizers, hand wash stock and stock of shampoo and talcum powder. Here also I have used two handle baskets, one for the dental kit and another for all the soaps. With the small baskets you can completely utilize the space and put specific category items in it. Next to it is the stock of wipes. And maintain a safe distance for organization around the drainage pipe. And all types of oils fit best in this organizer. I have further categorized the two baskets as skin and hair to group the items. In the skin basket, I have face wash, face cream, body lotion, etc. and face mask in the bottle. I have put the serum, conditioner, hair related items in the hair category. And I have stored mehendi in the separate container behind the hair basket. Since the storage is immediate to the bathroom, so it makes a lot of sense to keep the sanitary pads and care supplies. I have put a manicure and pedicure brush in the same basket. I have put all the nails and hooks in one container that goes into my tool basket. Organizing the tool sets and nails in one basket will be easy to find when you need them. Sometimes we feel the need to change the organization system, so using labels helps everyone in the family to look for things they need. Even if you reorganize, labels will self help. That was all about today's video. In case you find any of the tip or organization idea helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.